Modern workplaces today face growing challenges in accessibility, operational complexity, and security. Relying on outdated methods, legacy technology, and disconnected systems only leads to inefficiencies, delays, security risks, and poor workplace experiences. Introducing WorkplaceGOTO, the all-in-one platform to run your entire workplace. Book desks, rooms, and shared spaces instantly with real-time availability. Manage visitor access with QR passes, parking coordination, and vendor tracking, securely and seamlessly. Handle service requests, maintenance, and inspections from one powerful dashboard, while mobile teams execute efficiently on the ground. Track every asset across its full lifecycle with QR tagging, maintenance history, and smart alerts. Manage people, teams, and contracts across locations with complete control. With real-time analytics, optimize space utilization, costs, and operational performance every day. WorkplaceGOTO, one platform. Total workplace control. Book your demo now.